Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna give you a quick overview of what does mean relativity of like simultaneity. And before starting our lecture, remember that you subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button, give your thoughts on the comment section because support us to be consistent on doing the video. So to start our video, imagine that two astronauts are moving in the space with different velocities, and they observe a pair of events happening at the same time. Surprisingly, they disagree on whether that event happened at the same time or at different time. And this strange effect is all about relativity of simultaneity, one of the most important discoveries of Einstein's special relativity. So Einstein showed that time is not absolute in the universe, and different observers moving with different velocities do not share the same time or the same noise. In other words, to clarify, for example, events that happen at the same time for one observer may happen at different times for another observer who is moving relative to them. And this happens because space and time are connected as space-time. This means two observers moving differently won't agree on where it's simultaneous. Let me give you a clear example on what that means relativity of simultaneity. So, for example, imagine there is a stationary observer on the road, and there are two firecrackers on the right and left side of the observer. So, if these two firecrackers explode, the sound waves from these firecrackers move toward the ear of the observer, and since the sound waves only moves the same distance and the observer is stationary, he perceives or he assumes that the two firecrackers explode at the same time. On the other way, for example, the observer is driving a fast car relative to the two firecrackers, for example, toward the right side firecracker. So when they explode, even though they explode at the same time, the one from the right side only the sound waves from the explosion of the firecracker on the left only moves a shorter distance than the one from the left side. So the observer assumed that the explosion of the two firecrackers happened at different times, and the two observers disagree on whether the firecracker explosion happened at the same time or at different time. So relativity of spontaneity showed that there is no universal now, and also each observers in the universe carries their own version of time depending on their motion, and the understanding of relativity of simultaneity will reshape our understanding of time, space, and the whole structure of the universe, and it helps us to answer the question about does all observers in the universe agree on or happen at the same time. So the answer is no. So I believe that you have got some insights from the lecture. Thank you for watching our video.